Hi, today is the 11th of March and let us have a look at the charts of Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL. This is the monthly chart, and on the monthly chart you can see that from the 2008 highs it fell in three waves, then it rose and then it again fell. So this was a zigzag which I label as A, B and C, and then there was a three-wave rise and then another fall. So in all probability, it is going for a double zigzag, and we are labeling this as W, X and the Y wave which is starting now. On the Y, we have the A wave down, the B wave up, again B wave is also 3, and we are looking at a wave down. Now it could be a zigzag or it could be a flat. It is more likely that this is a flat because B is terminating almost near the origin of wave A. So looking at this monthly chart, we are probably looking down. So let us go and switch over to the weekly chart. And the weekly chart also shows the same thing more or less. And this week's movement has been pretty sharp the last week to the downside. And then if this is really the case that we are starting the C wave down, so we are looking at a target of around anywhere around 35 or below. Now that is a pretty drastic target, but that is what the broad Elliott wave picture looks like. Now going to the daily chart now. Okay, now we put this B wave label here. In the daily chart, we see that there was a wave down and a wave up and then a pretty impulsive wave down. So this looks like the initial subdivisions of the C wave down, and it's likely to go in 5 waves. So wave 3 down is now on, and the first target for the wave 3 down should be around 100% is already gone. And again we are looking at somewhere around 57 to 56 rupees for the wave 3 down. Now where are we wrong? So at no point, no point should it go and close beyond this high. So that's 90. That's pretty way off for a stop loss. And probably our stop loss would be somewhere around this gap here, which would be around 82. So we are firmly looking down on Steel Authority of India Limited. I know there are fundamental reports that the company is doing well in profits and all that stuff, but the charts look very, very bearish. So let us have a continued look at this, and let's follow this very interesting counter. I hope that helps. Bye bye.